So hello guys, welcome to another brand new tutorial. So what we'll be doing on this particular video today is on how to make a souvenir bag. So we'll be making this from this particular material you are seeing here. So this is a sample of what we'll be making, as you can see, and here is another one as well. They are almost the same size, but with a little bit different. So the way it is now, let me show you the illustration and the measurements. So here's the illustration and the measurement. So the side of the bag is going to be, actually this is slightly different, but the measurements are all the same thing. The rope, which is the hand, is going to be 16 inch. That's what you cut. Then the height of the bag is 9.5 inch, while the wideness is 9 inch. Then the side is going to be 4 inch. So if you want to calculate that for you to get everything, what you will do is, for you to get everything the way it is, because you don't have to join here, you just need to cut this full from here to the other side. So you calculate like this. You say the 9.5 times 2 plus the 4 is going to give you 23. So you will now cut 23 by 9. So that's what you are going to cut. So after you've do that, the next thing you want to do is you place your material where you want it to be, as big as it is. So that is what we try to do here. As you can see, if you check here, we measure the 23. Let me show it. So this is the 23. This is a full material we are going to be using. So you cut something like this first. These are everything. So you cut something like this for the main front. After you cut something like this, then you come and shear it. Then you bring out, you start cutting the 9 inch. This is now 9 by 23, as you can see. So after you finish this, you make sure you indicate the center, just like the one I'm about to show you. You indicate the center, just something like this as well. So after you finish doing this, you want to cut your hand. You measure your hand. You make sure you cut all your hands and keep them aside for you to proceed. And you cut this. If you are going to be putting this does not mean anything, but if you are going to put it, this is 2 inch. So you make this, you cut it down as well. You are going to be using something like that. Then the one you will be using for your side as well, you cut straight, but you have to measure. You determine what you are going to be using. So this is 4 by 9 inch, because the side is going to be 4, while the height of the side is going to be 9 inch. So we measure it. After you finish measuring something like this, then you cut it to a smaller size of what you'll be needing this way. So here's it, guys. So after you finish that process, then you indicate where your hand is going to be. So in between here is 3 inch. So when you want to fix your hand, you fix your hand from this way. You do it to the both side. Then after you have done that, then you start stitching. As you can see, this is just a single fold. Then you put your rope, you put it inside. Then you stitch it from the top again, so that it will give it a standard reinforcement. As you can feel now, if you touch and feel, the rope has touched this end from the inside. So you did the same thing to this particular side. But note, when you are fixing your rope, you should make sure it's something like this, because some people will fix their rope facing the wrong way, and when you try to hold the bag, it will not be good. So it should be something like this. So after you finish this process, you do that to the both sides. You fix your hand. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to start fixing your side. So this is our side. We fix one to show you how it's going to be. So this is what we did here. We are not using, like the previous one we've made, we normally use the side to fold the front, but now we are using the front to fold the side. So as you can see, this is what we did here. I'm trying to take a close shot so that you guys can see it clearly. So you do that, you sew it down up to this side, and once you get to this ending, you won't get to the extremely end. You stop somewhere here and turn it, then you keep sewing. You do that the same here, and you get to this place. So after you finish that side, then you fix the second hand as well. You fix this second side, not hand. So once you fix it, you see it will look something like this, and voila, you are good to go. You just make a souvenir bag. So I hope you guys love this particular video. and enjoying it. If you do, give this particular video a giant thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video or a new tutorial on this channel. Stay tuned and watch all our weekly updates as well, and we shall see you in the next video we'll be making. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.